Good morning, students. This is your Shankita ma'am over here, and today we will learn about direct and indirect speech. So, you may often be required to report what you have already heard somewhere. There are two ways of doing that. You can reproduce the actual words of the speaker, or you can give the gist or the summary of the speech of that speaker in your own words. Okay, so you can do these two things. Okay, so there are two speeches. One is direct speech and another is indirect speech. Okay, so what is direct speech and what is indirect speech? In direct speech, you give the actual words, you write or you say the actual words of the speaker. Okay, the way the speaker has said, you are saying the similar words, the exact words of the speaker. That is called direct words. And whenever you are or when the gist or the substance of the speech of the speaker, whatever the speaker has conveyed, you are giving the gist or the summary of the sayings of the speaker. That is called indirect speech. Okay, so how will you identify what is direct speech and what is indirect speech? What are the ways to understand that? So in your book also various examples are given. Okay, let me take one of the examples from there. Anil says, comma, inverted comma starts, Sunil goes for a walk daily. So this is the sentence over here, that Anil says Sunil goes for a walk daily. So what is this sentence? Is the sentence written in direct speech or indirect speech? How will you identify? So the first thing is, we will learn about the identification of the sentences, whether the sentences are written in direct speech or in indirect speech. That we will learn at first. Okay, so see, there is a comma in the sentence after the reporting verb. So what is the reporting verb? When the speaker is saying something, the speaker is saying over here something. So whatever the speaker is saying, so that is why over here the words are denoted. The words are given like says, like said. In this way many words will be given just before the inverted comma, before the comma. So these words are reporting verbs. These words are reporting verbs. Okay, students? Then comes the exact words spoken by the speaker. The speaker over here is Anil. Okay, so the exact words of the speaker is given within the inverted comma. So how will you identify whether the sentence is written in direct speech or indirect speech? You will see the sentence is written within the inverted comma. So when the sentence will be written within the inverted comma, you will get to understand that the sentence is written in direct speech. After the identification of the sentence, then you have to understand, then you have to look for the reporting verb. So where is the reporting verb? Just after the speaker. Okay, just after the subject, the reporting verb is there. Then you have to understand whether the reporting verb is present tense or whether it is written in past tense. Okay, so the sentence, so the word over here is given in present tense. Says, it is present tense. Says, it is present tense. So that is why you get to understand that it is present tense. So if the reporting verb is in present tense or in simple future tense, then the verb within the inverted comma, the tense will not change. The tense of the verb which is in within the inverted commas, that will not change at all. Okay, the tense of the verb will not change. The pronouns will change. There are other things which will also change, but the tense will not change. Okay, students. So Anil says, in indirect speech, how will you write the sentence? Anil says that Anil says that there won't be any inverted commas in an indirect speech. Do not give any inverted commas in the indirect speeches. Okay. So Anil says that. In place of comma, you write that. Okay. So that Sunil goes for a walk daily. The sentence will be written in this way and do not give any inverted comma. Why the sentence is written in such a way? Because the reporting verb is in present tense. So that is why the tense of the verb which is inside the inverted comma, that will also not change. Now, if the same sentence is written but the reporting verb is in past tense, then what will be the changes? Suppose the same sentence is given. Anil said, comma, Sunil goes for a walk daily. Okay. So the sentence is written in direct speech. Why? Because there are inverted commas. Whenever there will be inverted commas, I told you have to understand that the sentence is written in direct speech. So that is why this is a sentence in direct speech. So that is why you have to change it into an indirect speech. So how will you change? See the reporting verb over here. The verb is written in simple past tense. The verb is over here simple past tense. So when the verb of the reporting verb is in simple past tense, then the verb which is inside the inverted comma, that will also get changed. Okay. So simple past tense and simple present tense, it will become simple past tense only. So Anil said that Sunil go. The past tense of go is went. The past tense of go, it is went. So that is why Sunil went for a walk daily. This is the sentence. This way you have to change the sentences. Okay. I am giving another example to you. See, in your book also many examples are given. If you suppose I am giving an example. Mohan said, comma, inverted comma starts, I have been walking very hard. So I told you, first you have to identify whether the sentence is written in direct speech or in indirect speech. So can you tell me what the sentence is written in? Obviously the sentence is written in direct speech. How will you identify? Because inverted commas are there. Inverted commas are here. So that is why this is an example of direct speech. The next thing you'll be looking for in the sentence is the reporting verb. The tense of the reporting verb. So the reporting verb over here is said. So said, it is written in past tense, simple past tense. So whenever the reporting verb will be in past tense, that means the verb inside the inverted comma will also get changed. For example, Mohan said that. So who is I over here? The pronoun is I. First person. It is written in first person. So the pronoun is over here is I and it is in first person. Whenever the pronoun is in first person, then you have to change these pronouns and you have to change it according to the speaker. Like I, me, we, okay, us, our, all these pronouns which are in first person, the pronouns which are in first person will be changed into the now it will be changed according to the speaker. So where is the who is the speaker over here? Mohan is the speaker. So Mohan is saying actually that I have been working hard. So who is I over here? Obviously Mohan. Mohan is talking about himself as I. Mohan is referring to himself as I. So that is why Mohan said that I have been working very hard. Okay. So here I refers to Mohan. I refers to Mohan and I told you that whenever there will be first person like I, me, we, our, the pronouns will be changed according to the speaker. Okay, according to the subject. So that is why. So Mohan, I refers to over here Mohan. So that is why he. Mohan said that he. After that have done, it was written in direct speech. So I told you if the reporting verb in past tense is in past tense, then the verb inside the inverted commas will also get changed into past tense. So he had been working. It was written in past perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense it was written. Now it is changed to past perfect continuous tense. That means if the sentence is written in present perfect continuous tense, then it will change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So the answer is Mohan said that he had been working very hard. Let me give you another example so that you can understand another sentence. Millie said to me, comma, inverted comma starts, your friend your friends have come to my house. So this is the sentence over here. Millie said to me, your friends have come to my house. This is the sentence. So the sentence is written in direct speech. Why? Because it starts with the inverted comma. So that is why after the inverted comma always the sentence will start with capital letter. Sentence will start with capital letter. Okay. So your friends have come to my house. This is an example of direct speech. Direct speech because the sentence is within the inverted comma. Then the next thing that you should be looking for in this sentence is the reporting verb. What is the reporting verb? Said. It is written in past tense. Yes, it is written in past tense. So obviously you get to understand the sentence, the tense within the inverted comma will also get changed. So Millie said to me. So wherever there will be said to, you have to write told. So you have to write told. So you have to write Millie told me. You have to write Millie told me. Do not write told to me. Okay? In this way you shouldn't write. So Millie told me. After that you have to write that. In place of comma you have to write that. So your friend. Your. It is second person. Okay, the pronoun is written in second person. So these words refer to the person being addressed to. So they have to change accordingly. They are also need to change accordingly. Okay. So that is why Millie told me that your friends. Who is your over here? Who is Millie talking to? Millie is talking to me. So my friends, I am telling my friends, that is why your friends means it will be my friends. Millie is talking to me. That your friends, that means my friends. Okay. So Millie told me that my friends. So have come. This is also an example of present perfect tense. So present perfect tense, I told you, or will change into past perfect tense. Had come to my house. Had come to my house. So it will be written in this way. Had come to my house. So the answer will be Millie told me that my friends had come to my house. To my house, then full stop. So I think you have understood this part as well. Let me give you another example with the changing of pronoun. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma starts, students said he is an intelligent boy, inverted comma close. So the sentence is also written in direct speech. Why? Because the sentence is within inverted comma. Said, that means the reporting verb is written in past tense. It is written in past tense. So inside it is simple present tense. So simple present tense will change into simple past tense. For example, the teacher said that. So he is third person. So whenever there will be third person or the pronouns are there, I told you it will change accordingly according to the sentence. So in third person there won't be any change. So the teacher said that he is will be was an intelligent boy. Okay, give full stop at the end. Okay, so this is an example of indirect speech. So there will be changes if the sentence is written in the simple past tense. For example, the teacher said to me, you danced well. So look at the sentence over here, students. Here, said to me, past tense, the reporting verb is in past tense. Danced, within the inverted comma, it is also past tense. So both are written in simple past tense. So that is why it will turn into past perfect tense. When the reporting verb is in simple past tense and the tense inside the inverted commas are in simple past tense, So then it will change into past perfect tense. Okay. For example, how will you write the sentence? The teacher told me, then the answer will be the teacher told me that, the teacher told me that. Okay, so who is you over here? You, the teacher is talking to me. The teacher is telling to me. So that is why me refers to I. I am the person who danced well. So that is why the teacher is praising me. So the teacher told me that I danced well. So danced. So here I told you the past perfect tense will use. So I had danced well. Okay. So the teacher told me that I had danced well. This is the sentence. Do not give inverted comma. Understood? So, if the same sentence, the same type of sentence is written in another way, suppose it is written in that I said I came here yesterday. So the words like yesterday, tomorrow, now, this will also get changed. The changes are also given in your book, page number 313. The changes are given very beautifully. So thus will change to so, now will change to then. Okay, last night will change into the previous night, the night before or the previous night. Okay, so tomorrow will change into the following day. In this way it will be changed. Okay, so I said I came here yesterday. So said, the reporting verb is in simple past tense, and inside it is also simple past tense. So that is why obviously this sentence will turn into past perfect tense. I told you just now. So that is why I said that. So I here refers to, I am referring to myself only. So that is why the pronoun over here will not change. So I said that I had come. Had come. Here will change into there. There. And yesterday will change into, it will change into the previous, it will change into the previous day or the day before. Okay, so the previous day, or you can write the day before also. Okay, so I hope students that this much you have all understood. Okay, thank you.